I'm going to show you how we clean a dishwasher as a professional cleaner, or as my cleaning company does. We clean this part, and this part. You can use a magic eraser or sponge or whatever your favorite scrubby device is, but be careful with stainless steel because it scratches. So I'm using a little bit of Dawn Platinum soap spray. Dawn Power Wash spray actually is what it's called. And then soaping it up with a microfiber cloth. And then because it's reflective and because if I don't dry it, the dampness might make it dry streaky, I'm using a polishing cloth that you can get off of Amazon. This is a Signa brand. I also really like Norwex brand cloths. They're very expensive though, and they can get lost easily if you have a big company. So that is what it looks like there. I've already wiped here, but I'm going to try to get these streaks out again with the polishing cloth. You want to keep this polishing cloth as dry as possible. Like you want to keep it like you would a piece of paper towel if you were using cleaner. And then this cloth is what you get damp. Go back through. So, in my opinion, that's good. This is coming off, so we'll get it. Shut it. Gonna use the soapy cloth again to get the grimy fingerprints out. And when you are cleaning, make sure to get the handle, inside of the handle as well. Going in a circular motion. There's something on there I can feel. And again, that's clean, but because it's still damp, I'm going to take a cloth and dry it. If you don't have these cloths, then you can use a paper towel and soap and water and a sponge. Makes it easier. But for some stainless, even after you wash it, you can see that there's like streaking. This is usually caused by hard water and age. So there, I have found it's very hard to get these streaks out with any other method than using stainless steel cleaner. So we are going to use this stainless steel cleaner here. This is the best that I've found. It's thicker than the other ones. I don't like the aerosol version. Then I have a special dry cloth to buff it in. You can also use paper towel as well. So you can spray like this. You have to be careful of overspray getting on the floor, on the cabinets. If you are afraid of that, then you can just spray it on your cloth. Then you go into circular motions to buff it in. And you can go left and right and up and down. You usually need to finish on the grain for some, otherwise it will continue to look streaky. But you want to make sure to get the sides of it. Sometimes the dishwasher protrudes out more than this. This is kind of flush, so there's not much to buff there. Get all the way to the bottom and all the corners. You don't want to spray too much on there. Just like you don't want to put too much soap on anything, because then you're spending a ton of extra time trying to buff it out. That becomes annoying. There's still, I think, enough on my cloth to get this little corner without having to spray it again. A lot of my cleaners have trouble seeing that where it needs to be buffed in more. Like it'll be streaky and they'll think that that's as much as it will buff out. It's kind of you have to have the eye for it, really. Also, you have to look at it for multiple angles. So this looks, I think, a ton better. But you want to look from the bottom, the top, the sides, looking for streaks. And I don't see any, so I think this dishwasher is done.